Hi. Hello. Hi.
Mr. Rish Parvar.
Yes.
آقای علافزاده.
Yeah, call me Kambi.
دکتر دانشمند مهم.
شما ایرانی هستین؟
بله. حال شما خوبه؟
خوبم مرسی. I'm from the U.S. Census Bureau.
Oh, yes, I've heard of the census.
And I'm here because you didn't fill out your forms.
Oh, I'm sorry, I was very busy.
So I'm going to talk you through the questions, and when I get to the question about race, I suggest you tell me to write Iranian American or Iranian.
Is there a box for Iranian American?
No, there's no box, but I will check other and then write in Iranian American.
Well, we are white, just put white. There's a box for white.
Technically that's true, but that's not going to help us be counted.
Oh,
So.
is there benefit?
Potentially gives Iranians minority status. Persian-speaking nurses.
ما زن داریم ولی خب حالا نرس خوبه.
And federal funding for our community.
Who does this information go to?
Oh, all this information is private and strictly confidential.
I don't know about that one.
Okay, let's go.
Let's
do
go.
this.
Where do you want to go? Go ahead. I'm just joking to you.
So, how many people live in this household?
0.
What's the annual income range?
0.
What's your phone number? Let me guess. 000.
No. 310 000 0000.
Just curious, what's your favorite movie then?
Zara.
Sir.
Hi, how are you? Hi.
Sir, okay. Last question.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
I need to sleep.
Yeah, you do. Okay, so your race?
Italian. They call me dottore. That's Italian for doctor. Dottore.
Remember what we talked about?
Always wanted to be Italian. بزن Italian. اسمم بذار فرانکی. My friends they call me Kami, like Italian, like come here. How are you? I'm Italian. Come here, Kami.
Remember what we talked about? About putting Iranian American?
I have a hard time remembering. Italian.
This is a Vox News Flash. My name is Tyrone Matthews. The Census Bureau has just reported a shocking 250% increase in Italians in the U.S. This was a Vox News Flash. Coming up next, the remake of Zorro. Stay with us. Arrivederci.